Birds fight and peck each other all the time, but how do we know when they've crossed the line and might injure or even kill one another? How can we tell when they start to overdo it and how to get them to stop? Here are 5 reasons why your pet birds might fight. Female birds are aggressive. If you have a female parrot, you've probably noticed they love to stir things up. Female parrots can be little drama queens, often taking charge and defending their territory fiercely. And it's almost always them that cause fights. As long as your queen bee isn't hurting the other birds, let them work it out themselves because that's still considered normal female behavior. Cramped cage. Birds love company, but they also need their own space. A cramped cage can turn your friendly flock into a feathery fight club. Make sure each bird has enough room to stretch their wings and chill out. Fights over stuff. Even if you have the biggest cage on the block, not having enough feeders, perches, toys, and swings can cause chaos. Every bird wants their own stuff, so make sure everyone has their fair share to keep the peace. You make them fight. Have you ever noticed your pet birds fighting when you put your hand inside the cage or just pass by? This happens when they feel anxious or stressed out. One bird might peck another simply because it's nervous. Bullying the underdog. When a healthy parrot spots a weaker or sick bird, they might start picking on them. This is more common in larger flocks. If you notice this behavior, separate the weaker bird to give it a chance to recover in peace.